Sanibonani guys, naniyazi ukuthi mina ngibona kwama-screen enu kusho khona ukuthi nginiphathele isigaxa sendaba. Guys, so shame, I feel so bad. So ingane lena, ubaba took the child over for the weekend, right? So when he took the child for the weekend, okay, it was fun until the child had to return back to her mom, right? So when the child returned back to her mom, the mom then noticed, hey, well, my child is missing a finger, you know, like they cut half of the child's finger. And then umama asked ubaba table, why ingane yami ihamba right ibuya inganawo umuntu kwenzakalani ulimazwe yini? And then the father's like, oh no, I had to cut the child's finger because it's our tradition in our family. Like your finger, your pinky needs to be cut off. It's a mama, no, you can't do that without my consent. This is my child as well. You don't make such drastic decisions about the child's life without consulting Nami Bala. So what should happen now? No elders were called, no meeting was called, nothing. The only thing that you guys did was just to cut my child's finger off. And I must be the one living with my child crying every day out of the pain that this finger is going to inflict on her. So umama is confused with Enzinjani at this point. And yeah, so what would you guys do if you were umama? Some traditions it's okay, weird stuff are being done, but I mean, I personally feel like you should have consulted with the mother first, not just do because like it doesn't make sense. But I